guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram files permanently from mobile. First of all, open a Telegram app in your mobile device. After that, on the top left corner there's 3-line icon. Tap on that option, and over here we could see the settings option just below the saved messages. Tap on that. Over here what you have to do is go to the data and storage from the settings. When you reach to the data and storage, what you have to do is go to the storage usage on the top, and after that on the top right corner we could see the 3 dot icon. Select that and tap on the clear local database and tap on the clear again, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more